White Eagles TV. I'm your host, Mitch. Thanks for tuning in. On this episode, we're going to focus on the future stadiums that Serbia is currently building throughout the country. I'm going to focus on 8 stadiums. One's already completed. One's due to be completed soon, and we'll go from there. So let's focus on our first one. As you can see, Stadium Vranje. It's the home of Idemo Vranje. It's going to cost 20 million euros to build. It's only going to have a capacity of 8,200, which is, I think, a fantastic idea. There's the artist's drawing right there, what the stadium is going to look like. It looks fantastic. Let's face it, any new stadium is always going to look really good. And there it is right there. That's from the outside view. I think it's fantastic that we're building stadiums that are small in capacity. The average crowd in Serbia is not obviously that big, so it makes sense not to build stadiums 20,000-30,000. We're not just going to get it. But the old saying, build it and they will come. Maybe that's what they're planning on. But I think this is fantastic looking from the outside. I think this can be, but obviously this is not correct here. It's got a BMW parked at the front. We all know that's going to be a Yugo. Everyone's got a Yugo over in Serbia. It's going to be a cousin Sasha's Yugo parked out the front of the stadium. Doesn't even drive anymore. He just parks it there just because he doesn't want to park it at home anymore. And there we go. Like that, obviously all those photos. You can see the cars there on the left. We all know that's just going to be Yugo's parked there. But I think this is a fantastic stadium. But no date has been determined when it's going to be completed, so it hasn't even started being built. But I think that's fantastic. Next stadium, we'll move to Spartak Subotica up north in the Vojvodina region. This stadium will have about an 8,800 capacity. I think this is fantastic as well. I'm not a big fan of the track around the sides, but there's a method to them. That's from the outside. This is being built currently, so hopefully will be completed this year. And let's look at the next one. Stadium Kraljevica. It's got a cost of 32 million euros to make. The team is FK Timok. This looks fantastic. This is also a stadium that's currently being built. From the outside, looks fantastic as well. Obviously, those cars at the front, they should be Yugos. Let's face it, or another Zastava car, Vlada. But that stadium's going to be magnificent. When it's finished, it's going to look great. Next one, this one's 20,000 capacity stadium. Maybe build it and they will come. It will be home of Radnički. It's 20,000 capacity. Gee, that's huge. Who knows? Maybe they got a bigger plans ahead. Next one is Stadium Loznica of west of the country. This one's almost completed. It should be completed this year. Look at it. That's from the outside. That's current photos from it. That looks fantastic. That's going to be an amazing stadium. I got some family. I live near there, so next time I go to Serbia, I'll definitely check out this stadium. Hopefully, it's completed when I travel over there. Just from the front, just from that side, looks fantastic. And it 30 million euros to make. And a budget of 30 million. I think Serbia is doing excellent work here, building small stadiums, improving the infrastructure, which can only help the Serb team. Next one is Stadium Dupotica. It's going to be the home of 3 teams here: FK Dupotica, Levin, and Lened. It's going to have a capacity of 8,100, which is fantastic because it'll be a modern stadium for 3 different teams. And let's talk about the National Stadium of Serbia. If it gets built, it'll be amazing. 55,000 capacity stadium, and the sports minister has already stated this will start being built in spring, which is just around the corner when you think about it. And I mean, stadium the land's been purchased. they're building facilities now for the workers out there, so you can only now take them at their word that it will be built. And they're hoping to host some Champions League or Europa League final, which will be fantastic. Yeah, it'll bring definitely a lot of people to the country, a lot of tourists, improve our image, and the national team to play at a stadium like this would be fantastic. If it looks like this when it's built, we can only say bring it on. And it's got a budget of about 250 million euros, but I'm pretty sure that's gone up already. But we'll see what happens. Hopefully it does get built. And the last stadium we'll talk about is the TSC Arena from Bačka Topola up north in the Vojvodina region. This one's already completed. The only capacity of 4,500, which is fantastic. You build small stadiums, get the fans close to the pitch, and they will come. Because when you improve facilities, there it is right there. It's already being in use. As you can see, left it's got the Serb flag. On the right, it's got the Hungarian flag. It's obviously up north with a Hungarian minority up there. And it was also funded by the Hungarian government. But that looks fantastic. And the next couple of photos you'll see, you bring the fans close to the pitch like that. And I never really wanted to touch on the Superliga, but I think this video is important because if you improve facilities at home, such as stadiums, fitness, centers, gyms, and pools for the players, you're going to produce better players. Better facilities will produce better players. Look, that just looks fantastic. Definitely got to get up north to have a look at some of these stadiums next time I'm overseas. Anyway, that's all I got to say on this. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe to my new Instagram channel, White Eagles TV, my Twitter account, White Eagles TV, and thanks for all my new followers. I want to thank Serbian Footy as well for helping me out, promoting my channel. We're all in this together. We're all sufferers together. I hope you like this video and tune in for future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.